What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today we're more Supra content, so we'll be doing some installation mods on my brother's 2020 Mark V Supra. So a few videos back I might have talked about some new parts that we have for the car. I unveiled it to you guys. Basically my brother's birthday was a few months back and I got him some parts for the Supra. Small little carbon fiber goodies. One of them is the carbon fiber mirror cap. So there's different variations. Some of it is just like a carbon fiber clip-on cap or a whole mirror replacement. This one is just a cap replacement. So what that means is I do have to take this piece off and then it replaces it. So you're still keeping this piece. You can always swap it back to stock if you want to. My brother's Supra is the launch edition, so it does come with red mirror caps. Car is wrapped right now in green, so you don't really see that, but he also does have some carbon fiber accents around the car, like the hood, for example, in carbon, like the wing in carbon. So yeah, I think this carbon fiber piece on the outside will complement it pretty nicely. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out and show you guys the pieces, and then we can get to installing it. Pretty simple install. Alright, so pretty easy install, but before that let me show you guys. So here is in carbon fiber, real carbon weave, real nice. And like I said, it's a cap, it has clips and everything on the back just like OEM. Design's a little bit different as well. So if you look over here, that's the design of the OEM one. This is of the carbon one. See how it's little tilted up like that? It's kind of like the, I guess you could say like M3 style kind of look to it. Look more aggressive. What do you guys think? OEM, aftermarket, side by side. And if you guys are wondering where you can get these mirror caps for your Supra, they are from Auto Technique. So yeah, you can buy this online from their website. They have a bunch of other Mark V Supra parts. Alright, so first step, what you want to do is step inside. Go ahead and adjust your mirror caps, because you're going to go ahead and pry this piece off, the extra mirror. So recommend to push it all the way up, so it's tilted up a little bit so you can get your pry tool in here, and there's like a little ball that's holding it behind it, so your pry tool essentially will just stick it in there, pry it out, and this piece should come right out. So pry removal tool, you want to use a plastic one. You're going to stick it in there and pop it off. So just like that, little clip comes right off. You can leave it dangling like that. And let me show you guys a little up close. And let me get the camera to focus. So over here in the inside, you'll see stuff like that. Let me see if I can focus. But you see this red piece right here? That is like that little clip you're going to remove. You're going to pinch it together. So there's three of those, I believe. There's one here, this one up here, there's another one here. Let me show you the aftermarket one. So pretty much it looks like that. 1, 2, and 3. So just pinch it and it comes out. You want to pinch it and you can use your pry removal tool and kind of pry it over here a little bit, so it stays out. Okay, yeah, this one's kind of out. So it does, oh shit. Okay, so again, we just use our hands, but if you have a needle nose pliers, you can do that too. Pinch, 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 and push it. At the same time, I'm using this kind of like wedge tool right here to kind of wedge it out. So yeah, you can see these are the pieces that we're pushing. 1, 2, and 3. So you're just doing this. You're just squeezing it together and pushing it out.
Shout out to Bespoke Paint Protection, really good wrap around the seams.
Yeah, whenever the car was wrapped, they took it out. Some people just wrapped it, but they took it out and wrapped it, so you can see nice. It's not peeling. But a little side-by-side comparison, if you hold it up. This is the aftermarket. That's the OEM. Let's go ahead and slap it on. Same exact thing, but in reverse. It's way easier this time. You just pinch it and it clips right on. So
wait, you want to feel the difference in weight?
Is there a difference?
This is lighter. Stock is still lighter than carbon. Try it.
Oh yeah, I feel it. The irony, I guess, because this cap itself is probably plastic and then it's like carbon overlay on it.
Bruh.
Well, you get stock points though.
This is like half the weight.
Yeah, I feel it. This is full plastic. This is probably like plastic carbon. That's why.
It's heavy.
So to go in, same thing. Just line up the 3 prongs. Make sure obviously you're finding the right side. And then just clip it in pretty much. Alright, and just pop like that. Okay, so this side pretty much just popped right in. All you have to do is just put the mirror back on. Super easy. So you see these little clips right here, little prongs. You just want to kind of line them up. Make sure they go in. And a little bit pressure. There you go, good to go. Dang, so there you have it. Let's get to finishing up the other side. And
a few moments later.
so we have the install all done. One side fitment wasn't the best, but this is the thing with aftermarket parts. Anyways, here's how it looks. What do you guys think? Carbon fiber mirror caps. I think it's like a BMW M style. Looks more aggressive. What do you guys think? I think it complements like the other carbon accents on the car really well. Doesn't throw it off too much. From here you can see a little, yeah, it looks aggressive as well. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. If you guys stick to the end, leave a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more Supra mods, let us know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.